I used too many big heals there up the choke. Or like at the very beginning.
Make sure you're calling so we can get a grave guard or a Judy down.
Yeah.
I had the Judy down, you still died?
Oh, I think I meant like earlier.
We should go to the other side if they're all the way down here. It's not worth it.
I'm pulling. I probably do not get cap in time here.
That's okay. We don't need the cap. We just need the position. Let's take a second here.
3 hots.
Breath getting exploded.
I'm trying to get on the bow. I purged him here.
I already graveyard hole already.
Their fire's diving.
Everything's on you, Rhett.
Maybe we kill bow here.
Yeah, do you have Judy for this? Do you have Judy?
I do.
Okay, I got their bow.
We do fire.
Hold on, buddy.
Dark Matter going out. Poison pot on
Yep,
fire.
I'm looking at the healer.
Okay.
They both clear.
Stock. I don't have the kills here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna cleanse heal for boost heals.
I'm flinging fire.
See it on front lane. I don't have a cleanse right now.
We can beam healer here. He has no clear. Never mind.
Trying really hard
The
to kill
fire. Good shit.
They're diving me
Pressure
here.
their front out. Pressure
They're
their
diving
Dark
me.
Matter
They're
on the
diving me. Oh, I need they're diving me. Thank you.
We got grave guard there. I'm looking at the bow.
See
Slinging him
front
in.
lane here.
Got the roll on the bow. He fucked up his assassin. We got a pill on cord. Pressure these front line.
I'm dead.
I'm flinging glaive in. We got glaive.
We need to rotate the
We have
chain.
no healer. Yeah.
Jesus, man. Hey.
Got the bow's roll.
Okay, can you guys go on that bow then? Look at these.
I'm gonna purge here. I'm purging.
Dark Matter on the melees. I fucked it.
I'm coming back for hots.
I'm gonna blink to Encore.
I'm putting a seat on front lines.
I don't have purge for the bow. Bow's beaming. I don't have a purge. I'm back for hots.
Dark Matter on the melees. I'm just trying real hard to kill Red. The glaive
Yeah.
just rolled forward.
We can maybe kill bow here.
I E on bow.
Good shit.
Glaive
I'm looking
slow.
at glaive. Nice.
See,
I gotta come back to heals.
I don't have any heals right now.
I'm just
Dark Matter on
purging
the
the
healer.
healer. We have to cap soon. We have to double cap soon.
Oh, he's at like 1 HP.
Going back at the cap. Someone needs to grab mid.
No, stop him. We lost.
Damn, dude. Damn. Work for like yourself as well.